With the Ukrainian drone army becoming experts in neutralizing Russian equipment, they often target armored vehicles from the top back section. This area has less armor, making it more vulnerable. For example, a Russian BMP-3 was pursued and hit at the rear by an FPV drone. The armored vehicle started emitting heavy smoke, but the driver continued, seemingly ignoring the potential danger. With smoke, there's a risk of fire that can quickly spread and lead to ammunition explosions. As the smoke turned into visible fire, the vehicle was still in motion. The video doesn't show how it ended, but it's likely that the vehicle was destroyed, as an internal fire can cause massive damage. This leaves one less vehicle for tomorrow. As a Russian T-72B3 tank equipped with a cage was stationed in a firing position, Ukraine deployed a 155mm artillery round. This projectile scans for targets in midair and releases an explosively formed penetrator aimed at the roof armor. The cage, designed for a specific function, offers minimal protection against this type of round. The explosively formed penetrator is designed to penetrate armor from a distance, and the welded cage on the tank provides little defense, allowing the warhead to penetrate the tank's roof armor. This often results in an ammunition cook-off, as depicted here, leading to the complete destruction of the tank. As Russian SAM systems have become magnets for Ukraine's precision weaponry, they can take out expensive Russian systems in just 1 or 2 strikes. However, more rarely, Ukraine's artillery is seen firing regular unguided rounds on Russian SAMs. In this instance, a Thor M1 system is located amidst some destroyed buildings. The Thor system fails to detect and intercept the drone watching over it, which can send back information to the artillery system. This information helps correct the aim, allowing the rounds to come closer before hitting the system, effectively taking out another Russian SAM system. Exciting new content awaits you on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on all the news and updates. Thank you for your support.